You think?
necrophilia, but that was Pee Wee's best friend. Speaks volumes. Um, so he delivers the device to Tyner. Tyner plugs his end in. Pee Wee asks him if he can hear him, and then Pee Wee plugs his end into the wall socket. So boom, Pee Wee pulls the wire back through, clips it, and laying on his bunk as everybody's running by. So
Wow.
ingenious. Had he not made the tapes,
Right. He recorded his own. Yeah.
right, he would have gotten away with it.
Wow.
So I prosecuted him in the spring of 1983. Trial took 6 weeks, primarily because it was tough to get a jury. I mean, you'd ask a juror, Mr. Juror, have you ever heard of Donald Pee Wee Gaskin? Yeah. What do you know about him? Largest mass murder in the history of the state. Okay. Well, could you put that aside and base your verdict on the evidence in the courtroom? And then if you got past that, if you convicted him, would you automatically give him death, or would you consider life? Took a long time to get through that one, but finally we got 14 jurors, um, and then it took about 2 weeks to. It took 4 weeks to get the jury and another two to try it. The longest criminal trial in the history of the state until recently, the Murdaugh case, which
Mm-hmm.
I also participated in. So I don't know if that's a record you should be proud of, but I've prosecuted one that took 6 weeks and defended one that took 6 weeks.
Wow.
So
It's really big.
that's my history and Pee Wee's history. And by the way, since then, since that trial, I ran for Richland County Council in '86. Was elected when my boss Jim Anders retired in 1990. I ran, was elected solicitor, and served 4 years as the elected solicitor, and left in 1995. Went into private practice, where I've been since.
You're a busy man.
Most days, I like being busy.
I do too. I don't like to sit still.